everyone, welcome to our channel. It's Malay Philippines. It's Wednesday afternoon. We're here in Mabalacat, Pampanga, and we're going to SNR Dao with my sister and with Leon also. Say hi. Hi. And also don't have rain right now, maybe it's little bit only, and have also accident from Dao. 2 motors fall down because of the accident. And right now it's so traffic, and we're here already in SNR Dao, Mabalacat, Pampanga. And we're going to show to you all the pizza here and how much is it, and also the bake roll or chicken roll,
Chicken bake roll.
we will gonna show to you how much the per pieces and the full of pizza. So we're going to part right now.
This is popular in Philippines. Chicharron, yes?
Malapit.
Chicken baked roll with 129.
Chicken bake roll with bacon.
Yes, I like. I tried before already.
Okay, it's good. Before there's a beef bake roll,
Yeah.
but I think it's more expensive than the chicken bake roll. That's why they what to call this? They remove it and with the chicken bake roll instead.
Thank you. This is mini pork.
Try
Pork
it, sir.
balls.
Mini
Ah,
pork.
okay. Hi. Thank you.
Ito, sobrang laki oh. 6,000. Member card na lang.
So long time need wait, yes?
Huh?
Long time need wait.
Maybe little bit only.
Let's go.
We're going home right now and thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.